Oh, so I wanted to do a video on this truck. I got it in a couple weeks ago, 2 or 3 weeks ago. I gotta make this short. I only got 8 minutes of memory left on my phone. Needed a work truck, and I didn't want to buy another just straight pickup because the guys always complain about tools being kept in the cab and having no room to store anything. So I looked around and I found this one out of Texas. It was an ex-utility contractor truck, which is, almost exactly what I was looking for. I did want the crane, had to have crew cab, had to be 4x4. I did want a diesel, but all the trouble I've been having with diesels lately, I settled for the 6.4. And to be honest, this truck is pretty heavy, and that engine doesn't seem to have any issues with it, even pulling a trailer, which I don't think these guys ever even pulled a trailer with it, because I added that hitch and I added the trailer braking system in the cab. But it's pretty much mostly like we got it. See all the bins. We haven't even finished putting all the tools and stuff in it. But we do core drilling and all kind of other stuff. So it's a core drill rig back there. This is the crane power switch right here. Concrete saw, core drill, core drill bits, other stuff. But the truck has 117,000 miles on it, and it came to us pretty clean. Really clean. They did a good job of cleaning it out. And it's really not in bad shape. It's a 17, but there's no tears in the seats. Nothing really cracked on the dash. Nothing broken. It's got the old school shift on the floor, which I like for the 4x4. So less to break. The crane is really neat. It goes out 16 foot. It'll lift 4,000 pounds up close. I think 900 something out at that distance, 16 foot. And it's all controlled by a remote, which is really cool. So you don't have to get up there and play with those switches or anything like that. Matter of fact, I don't even think you can. Those are just for emergency situations if you have to stow it, because it's missing some of the functions. Like this goes straight from the remote, the cable out and cable in. But the remote is pretty cool. Let me show a little demonstration of that real quick. So it does not have two batteries like the diesels do, so the truck has to be running. I might add a second battery eventually anyway, but so you got a start sequence. And this is honestly the coolest fucking thing I've ever seen. I should have bought one of these a long time ago. Just really, really handy. One of those things that once you have it, you just use it for everything. So this extends out the power with a ram on that one. I think 5 foot on that extension. And then there's a manual jib that runs it out another 5 foot, well 5.5 foot, so 16 foot altogether. So you just pull this pin right here. And then so I mean, with the truck and 16 foot of extension, you could probably get, I guess, 20 feet in the air. Those are pretty cool. And it's got outriggers too, so if you've got something a little too heavy, it can help with stability. I'll try to get some more videos of it later, but I'm running out of room on the phone right here. We just kind of, I don't know what they used all this stuff for, but we just stuck all of our hand tools in it. I'm pretty sure that and that was for a cable roll. Like they would stick a roll of cable or whatever in there. And this, I'm thinking, was some sort of ladder rack. And this, I'm pretty sure, was for the umbrella they would use. But that's about it. Any questions, let me know. Thanks, bye.